Hey friends, if the remote desktop option is grayed out in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. The resolution is through the Registry Editor tool. So search for Registry Editor in the Windows search bar and open Registry Editor. Now go to this path, HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows NT and then terminal service. Okay, terminal services. In the right pane, you will create an entry named F deny TS connection. So copy this path, right click new diver 32-bit value and paste it. Double click on it, change the value data to 0 and click on it, and this will allow the remote desktop connection. Now I'll try and explain this logic. If it says deny connections, okay, so if the value is 1, that means that deny connections is enabled, which means it will deny the connections, which means that remote desktop connection will be disabled. And if I make it 0, it means that it will not deny the connections, which means that remote desktop connections will be enabled. So if you wish to enable it, if you have a problem with it being grayed out, then simply change this value to 0 and click on OK. But that doesn't solve the problem. You have to restart it as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.